Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday too. This is your last maths lesson for the week. We've done some subtraction for the last couple of days, and so in this lesson, some more subtraction, but this time you've got to solve some problems with it, with some words and some different situations. So again, I don't really want you to worry about this at the top. If you want to look at that and use that, you can, but I'm really happy for you to do this in the way which is comfortable for you. So you've got number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, and number six. Now, for all of those, you need to have two answers. So firstly, you've got to subtract 333 from each one, but you've also got to subtract 251. So I would put number one, two answers, number two, two answers, number three, three answers. The first answer minus 333, second answer minus 251. Yep, three, two answers, two answers, two answers, two answers. Then you need to read the word problems. And it's not too difficult. You've just got to pick out the numbers, make sure that you're doing the right calculation, taking away the small number from the bigger one, and I don't think you'll have too many problems. You can have a go at the owl if you have someone to work with at home to help you with that one a little bit. It might take a while. How many times can you subtract 121 from 1,000? But you're welcome to have a go at that and send me the results if you try. That's great. Apart from that, good luck and have a great weekend after that.